Hey everybody, this is Raymond Camden, and I'm here today with another BoxLang quick tip for you. This one involves Miniserver, and Miniserver is a command line web server that you can run to play with, test, etc. your BoxLang web applications. I have been using it since I first started using BoxLang, and it's gotten better and better over the last couple of months. And it has a lot of features now, including like a built-in health check, the ability to read env variables, really powerful URL rewriting as well. But today's tip doesn't involve any of that. Let me show you what I mean. So I have an incredibly simple web application. It's one file. And what this file does is it defines a simple function on top, hello world. And then beneath that, I have some HTML, and I'm going to call that function and render it to the web page. And probably you can see the error already, but let's just pretend that I don't. And we will run mini server, if I could spell, and it is up and running. And let me open that up in my browser. And oh, there's an error. Function hello worldy not found. And okay, so where is that? Now, this example is all of 11 lines of code. It's incredibly easy. But let's imagine it was much more complex. And I was trying to diagnose, like, where is this being thrown? Now, in my terminal, I do have a stack trace, and it gives me a lot of information, but I have to kind of search to see in the stack trace that, oh, okay, it's an index.bxm line 9. Yeah, okay, it's findable for sure, but what if there was an easier way? There is. So one of the flags that you could pass to BoxLang mini server is the debug flag. Now, I've known about this for a while, and my assumption was that it was related to debugging as it started up, its own internal mechanics and stuff. I didn't really think about it. But if we use this by just adding dash dash debug and we open this up again, we will see a much better exception message here. So now we can actually see a snippet of the code and the stack trace as well, but really this is being much more direct in terms of what my issue is. So should you use this? Absolutely. When you're developing locally, I can't imagine a case where you would never not use it. I mean, this is such a better, nicer error handler. Now, in production, you should have proper exception management in place, and BoxLang absolutely supports it. The application framework supports the ability to handle errors, and you should do things like log it, send an email, whatever, present something nice to the user, and so forth. But in development, this is going to be super useful. So keep this in mind, make it a part of your process, and enjoy.